makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So before we jump into the video, I have two things to mention quickly. First off, obviously my background has changed again. I can't decide. I felt like the others, like when I was putting the backgrounds behind me, like my lighting was so weird and I couldn't figure it out. So here I am back to where I started, except I have lights behind me. I don't know, I think it's kind of cute. It's kind of like a mix. I don't know. I'm just trying to put out good content. I've been so stressed lately about getting my lighting right. It's driving me crazy. And then the other thing I wanted to mention, this is a little bit random, but I always say hello fellow makeup lovers, and I just wanted to explain that because I was recently sucked into like this black hole on Reddit, and some people were talking about how like beauty gurus or influencers or just YouTubers in general, I'm not even gonna call myself that, how they have like taglines and whether they like them or not. And I just figured I would mention that I just started saying hello fellow makeup lovers out of nowhere because I used to always say like hey guys, and I would feel so stupid. Like I hated saying hey guys so much, and I feel like it was so boring. So I was just decided one day, because my channel is Amy Loves Makeup, I'm like thinking that you guys are obviously makeup lovers, and then hello fellow, it rhymes, it flows, hello fellow makeup lovers. I don't know, I really like it, and I like the idea. I mean, of course I say like my subscribers, but to be able to say like my makeup lovers, you know, because that's what we are and that's what our passion is, and that's why we're all on this video today. So hopefully you guys like that. I figured I would explain it just in case you guys were curious. Hopefully I don't say it too fast to where you don't even know what I'm saying, because I know like sometimes I start an intro and I film it so many times and I mess up so many times that when I finally get it right, I'm like blah, 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 blah. So hopefully it's all good. So today's video is obviously new makeup releases. I hope you guys are excited. This is my weekly series, and it was inspired by Angelica Nikis, and hers was inspired by Samantha March, I believe. And yeah, so definitely go check them out too, because there's a ton of people doing these videos now. But I'm not gonna stop because I really enjoy it, and I know you guys really enjoy it. So let's just go ahead and jump on in. I feel like my lighting is making me look like a straight up ghost today, but we're just gonna go ahead and ignore that, and we're gonna talk about the first thing that has me so excited. So Nikki Tutorials recently did a video, and she had her subscribers pick her makeup, and there were two options, and she said, do you want this from Ofra, or do you want something I'm working on? And then she used what she was working on, and it looks so pretty. Like, I don't know, it almost looks like a pinky purple silvery highlight. I don't even know, but I have Glazed Donut from her and I'm obsessed. I really hope it's another highlighter with Ofra because I really like Ofra's formula, and I'm so excited for this. Like, that's gonna be one of the things. I'm trying to go on a no-buy in August, and I feel like that's one of the things, if it does release in August, it's gonna be so hard not to buy. So Fenty Beauty is coming out with a new highlighter. It is called Diamond Ballout, and this is definitely a pass for me. It's a super gray silver highlighter, and I think you could definitely get this and use it as eyeshadow. I mean, it's a good idea because all of the sales go to support Rihanna's foundation, which I'm not exactly sure what they do. Oh, it says that their mission is to change and save as many lives as possible. So I think that's really cool. It's always nice to see brands who are giving back to charity, but I just feel like that's something I really don't need in my collection. And I commented somewhere and said like, who is this gonna work on though, like except as an eyeshadow, and someone said that it would be beautiful on deep skin tones. I haven't seen a single swatch on deep skin tones yet. If I do find a swatch, I'll definitely put it on the screen. But I feel like this kind of reminds me of the highlighter that Jeffree Star came out with, the one that was like blackish, and it didn't really work on anyone because it's such an unnatural shade. I mean, obviously you can wear it if it makes you happy. I just wish that because it is a shade that's going back to charity, I wish it was something that like more people would want to buy. Do you know what I mean? So moving on, Juvia's Place is coming out with a brush set, and it looks nice. Like, it looks very dense, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 brushes in the set, and it retails for $55. I feel like for Juvia's price point, like with their palettes all being like $20, $25, it seems a little much to charge $55 for a brush set. So this is definitely a pass for me, and I do not need another brush. I really actually want to do a brush declutter, which I don't know if I would film that or not, but I really need to do that because I have too many brushes. So something else that I'm actually pretty excited about, Becca Cosmetics is coming out this Skin Love collection, and they're going to have a foundation, an elixir, a glow glaze stick, which I'm guessing is some type of highlighter stick, but it sounds really nice. And the foundation, it says Weightless Blur Foundation infused with Glow Nectar Brightening Complex. So I'm just excited to see what that's going to be like, if it's going to be like medium coverage or if it's going to be a CC cream or what. I don't know, I just like the idea of makeup products that are better for your skin. And then next, another thing that's a little bit more innovative, Fresh Beauty is coming out with the new Sugar Lip Wonder Drops Advanced Therapy, and these look interesting. It looks like kind of like oil for your lips instead of like a chapstick. So I would be interested in trying like a sample of this, but it's like the full size is $26. $26. I think I'll just use my Aquaphor. Okay, so next, Givenchy is coming out with the L'intemporel Blossom line. And I don't know, I'm definitely not picking it up because I'm like 97.6% positive that Givenchy is not cruelty free. But I feel like for their price point, I'm looking at this line and I feel that it doesn't look that expensive. Like the compact actually looks kind of cheap. Maybe it's one of those things where you have to like hold in your hands to feel if it feels nice, but I don't know. I like that it's like a nude blush shade, but it doesn't even look that expensive, and I'm like, I bet it's really expensive. Okay, so tell me I'm not the only one that's confused. Kylie Cosmetics is coming out with their nice eyeshadow palette from Holiday 2017, and they basically brought it back but with different packaging. I just want to know why. Who asked for this? Who wanted this? I'm like, if she brought back the original holiday palette that she did, like the little 9-pan one, I felt like that one was actually unique. It had like different jewel tones in it, but this is just, why? Like I just don't understand. They sent out an email because I am on their subscription list, and I can't even remember what it said exactly, but it was like, it's so nice we had to do it twice. I'm like, you really didn't have to do it twice. The thing that I'm super excited about, BH Cosmetics did a little sneak peek on their Instagram stories, and they posted a picture of the Zodiac palette, and they said, do you think the Zodiac palette should have a sister? I'm really excited because I love my Zodiac palette. I think it's super nice. It has such a fun mix of like warm tones and colors, and I just feel like the quality is amazing. So I'm really excited to see what the Zodiac sister would be. And I'm like curious, like, are they going to go more cool toned? Are they going to go more colorful? Like, what are they going to do with it? So I'm very excited to see what that's going to be. Okay, so next, Makeup Revolution is having another collaboration, and it is with Kisu. Oh, she's really pretty. Okay, I just wanted to do her Instagram. I'm not familiar with her, but she has a palette coming out with Makeup Revolution, and it looks okay. But I feel like Makeup Revolution has been doing a lot of collabs lately, and they all kind of revolve around like the neutral with like a little pop of something here and there. So I feel like this is a pass for me. I want to try more from Makeup Revolution, but I feel like the things that they come out with don't really speak to me. So Blush Tribe sneak peeked another palette, and they said it is launching for autumn in September. So I'm not sure what the name is actually going to be. And I think it's pretty. I think it's definitely like a cool like remix of like a fall neutral palette with like lots of pops of fun colors, but I don't know, the shades aren't necessarily speaking to me, so I think that's probably a pass for me. Okay, so next I have this palette to talk about, and I don't know how new it is, but I just figured I would mention it because I just saw it this week, and it is from Sample Beauty. I think it says the Paridigm Shift palette, and it's actually available already. It is a UK brand, and it looks so beautiful. I love all the colors in it. I love that it's basically a colorful palette with pops of neutral, and it has a black and a white and a yellow and a bright blue and greens and pinks, lots of pinks and lots of blues actually. So I think that this is a really stunning palette, so that's really cool. I also have a few other indie like little releases to talk about, even though I'm not sure how specifically new that they are. But the first one is from Glitsxglam Eris palette, and I was actually asked to review this. I haven't checked it out how much it costs or anything yet, but it looks beautiful. It has like super metallic shades, some really pretty deep like burgundy and orange and pink matte shades, and I love like a little pop of mint, and I think it looks really beautiful, so that looks nice. And then I just wanted to mention one more indie release, and this is called the Spoiled Bish palette. from Fashion Killa Cosmetics, and this looks really cool. It's kind of like a pop, I don't even know how to describe it. It's a lot of random shades, but I kind of like how they look together, so I think that looks really, really nice. Just in case you guys have been wondering about other indie brands. Oh, and I also wanted to mention this also. This is from GIF Cosmetics, or GLF or GIF. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll have all the information in the description box. And this is their Princess Azteca palette. It was on pre-order, so I'm not sure when it will be available to purchase. I think that this is a really nice mix of neutrals and colors, and I feel like there's a lot of like nice deep tones, and I don't know, I feel like it's a really nice mix of shades, so that looks super pretty too. Right now I'm trying not to buy anything because, you know, I'm trying to be good, and there's been so many amazing releases. It's killing me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.